Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now student, today in this lecture we'll be studying about the format of another type of writing skills in grammar, and that is email writing. Now email writing, the term is very much familiar to you. Okay, so email, you can say that email is quite similar to your formal your letter writing also. Okay, but yes, there are differences. So what is email writing, how it is different from your letter writing, so all these we'll be discussing in this lecture. Now what is email writing? So you all must be familiar, email जो है it is a short electronic mail. Okay, so it is a e-communication type mail. It is short, and if you see in today's age, okay, in today's time, now such type of communication is much more favored because they are fast. Okay, they are fast, and as in case of letter writing, so it takes time to reach the letter to a particular person, but the emails, they are the fastest communication mode, electronic communication mode hai. Okay, and we can communicate, we can chat, we can talk to the person who is sitting abroad. So that is the benefit of email writing. Okay, so in today's digital age, it is the most preferred means of personal and business communication because it is almost instant and in most cases absolutely free. So in today's age, it is the most preferred type of communication, and it is used as both personal and for personal, and also for business communication, or you can say it is used for both formal and informal way. Okay, and it is also free. Okay, you what you need is just an internet connection for this, and you can quickly send your message to the one you want to reach. Okay, now let's talk about the style. Just like letters, email can be formal or informal, that we have just talked about. Companies, organization, government, departments and offices use formal emails which are written like formal letters for official communication. Informal emails are personal emails between friends, relatives, and sometimes acquaintances, and are written in a friendly and conversational style. So, this is the way email is written. It can be from the business point of view, or it can be personal also, writing an email to friends or relatives. Okay, so it can be friendly, or it can be conversational, or business type also. Now let's see the points which you need to remember for effective email messaging. Now the first thing is that have a clear stated subject line. That should be very much clear. Place priority information in the beginning. So the emails, they are also not very long. Okay, they are short type of communication style where only the relevant points are mentioned. No extra thing, no information, no extra information is given. So place priority information in the beginning, whatever is important. Be brief without being rude. Okay, we have to be brief, short, precise, and without rude. Means a tone, a language should be very simple, very simple, and liking also. A one who's reading should like that style. Use the right tone, formal or informal, depending on the mode of communication, whether you are writing a letter to some business association or to your some relatives. Have simple vocabulary, uncomplicated sentences and paragraph. Simple sentences should be preferred. Okay, and these you can break your content into paragraph also. Use correct grammar and spellings to avoid confusion. Be courteous, end with thanks, a line saying you look forward to hearing from the recipient. Have a signature which may include position held, address, phone number, etc. So these are the things, how to end up, how to sum up your with a concluding note. Okay, now let's talk about the things which should not be there in the email writing. Okay, be too long. So the email writing should not be long. It as I have already spoken, it should be up to the point. Only important points should be mentioned. Be all in capital letters. This is considered as shouting. However, some words may be capitalized for emphasis. So that is also means no need to use the capital letters. The words should be in capitals. Okay, only some important information if you want to emphasize, then only quote that or write that in capitals. Have very confidential or personal information that may fall into wrong hands and cause problem. So very personal or confidential information should not be sent through email. Okay, as you all must be familiar with the cyber crimes also. Okay, so it's better the type of communication जो है it should be general, not very personal information should be disclosed. Now this is a format for email writing, as you can see. So the format includes a box. The email writing should be in box. That is the main thing, as you were doing in your message writing also, then in your notice writing also. Now then you will mention the heading email writing. Then first you have to mention the sender's email. Okay, sender's address आप लिखोगे in that format only. email जैसे आप लिखते हो सेंडर्स नेम वट एवर एट द रेट, जो भी आप साइट यूज़ कर रहे हो, like gmail.com वट एवर. ओके, then to the one who is receiving, then uska id will be there. Then after that you will mention the date should be in alphanumeric, and then you will write about the subject, ki about what you are mentioning, you are writing the email. Okay, so that is the subject. Then you have to leave a line, and then you will start your body, that is the body of the email, with a salutation notes, dear friend, dear whatever is the name of the friend. So in this way you have to mention the salutation, and then the body of the email, and that can be it can be broken into this paragraphs also. Okay, so once you have finish it up with body, then will come your complimentary close. You can mention, if you are writing a email to your friend, to your relative, to your brother, sister, then you can note, you can write love, then your name. Okay, so depending on the type of email you are communicating with whom, that it depends on that ki you are communicating with whom. Accordingly you will mention the complimentary clause. Okay, this is one of the example you can see of email. So last year during his vacation, Preetham went to the adventure camp that included activities like trekking, rafting, rock climbing, etc. Write an email as Preetham describing the activities to a friend. So here they have mentioned ki you are the Preetham. Okay, so no other name you are going to write, and you will write a letter mentioning all the activities, and this is a informal letter, that means you are writing to a friend. So again the same thing will be there. You will mention the your address, then the one who will receive, then date, subject, and then dear whatever is the name of the friend. After subject leave a line, then and then will come the body of the email. Okay, body of the your content. Okay, and then after that love, or you can mention any complimentary note with you have to end up, and then your name. Okay, and you can mention your designation also after your name if you are writing email to some business organization. Okay, so this is the format of email writing. So hope you all have understood. Thank you everybody.